guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Noah Crystal. Today I'm trying to trading my makeup first dragon to this officer, but I hope he's not going. He said he's going to be at right potion and then after. If he's scam, make sure to report him please, guys. I'm really wanna cry again. Okay, so you must add after, okay? I was scared. How many times you want me to stay? So I will add after. Remember everyone around here. Remember everyone around here. Okay, if you guys think this is a fair trade, I think that is kinda a fair trade. Oh my god, I don't know what should I do right now. Quick, confirm. I'm watching. I hope you're gonna. I will ever. I'm not a scammer. I'm gonna say, can you just fit the fly potion to oil and put another potion in trade? If you're not fit, bruh, no, cause I don't want to fit it. No. I know. You fit the pet yourself. You can fit it too. Then can you give me first? Can you give me first? Can you give me right potion and the pet after first? What if later if it already you say you don't want? No, I said yes. No, I said yes. I want if you put the if you fit the potion to oil. What do you want all my pets for mega? If I scam, you can report me and will account with bandits. Which potion? Fly potion. Which potion you want me to fit? Fly potion. Fly potion, okay? Do it. Fit right now. I will watching you feeding your pet. I will watching you feeding your pet. Oh yes, what you feeding? Yeah. And okay, also put right potion in trade, okay? So put right potion in trade, okay? Good work. Okay, right potion. A crow. Neon avenue. Yeah. Whew. That's a good one. Okay, I said, because I'm not a liar, okay? God said, congrats to your new pet. Please take care good to my mega froze. I will secure my pet, yeah. So already he really put it. Okay, guys, please click something like this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Say goodbye to my free accounts. Okay. Oh my god. The pet after. Okay, the pet after. I can't believe it that I really traded all of what I need. Oh, you put a lot of snowman. Are you kidding me? You just put your snowman. Wow, what? Oh god. There's a lot of snowman. How? I can make a round like a mega one. This is my ad. Maybe he's so concerned and so happy, guys. So thank you for trusting that, cause right now the large in trade you can report and they will get banned really easily, and they will get nothing used too. Thank you. Woo! I want to see my neon shadow dragon that new. I feel so new right now, cause you know what? That I really did the trade. Okay. I still have a frost dragon and this crow with a neon evil unicorn. I love it. I'm gonna set. Can my friend offer for neon shadow dragon? Okay, later please. I'm in video. Okay, later please. I'm in video. Later please. Okay guys, so what do you guys think our video today? Please trust the person that you friend with. I really friend he left, but it's okay. I still get a neon shadow dragon as I like it, cause I love black color, which is my Mega Frost have a really good memories with me. Oh my god, I really want to cry, but I still have a normal Frost dragon with me to steal me up with a neon shadow dragon, a neon ever unicorn. Like I get a new mindset. Oh my god. Now I can make around 3 neon snow oil. That's a lot, right? I know. Maybe I try to making a mega snow oil later, and next video is going to be more better than this video, guys. So make sure to click the subscribe button and up to 100 subscribers, please. That is my dream. And I will going to be trying to give away you guys some pets. Yeah, I will try to get more of legendary to try to give away you guys. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Will be more great than this video. And also Happy New Year's, guys. So bye.